What is up, YouTube? It is me, Devontae, here again with another video, and I hope you had a great 4th of July. And I wanted to just make this quick video talking about lease ad space as I finish clicking my 10 ads. I still got one more to go. But lease ad space, I just received a $7 commission via Bitcoin from a Pearl package. And as you can see, I'm not the only one making money earning Bitcoin in lease ad space. As you can see, you got other people's names here, but this happened the other day, and I can go to, and this is on the home page too. So whenever you get a commission, you will basically get a shout out for getting that commission, and you can go to your dashboard. And before, I only had $7. Now I have $14 because that was my second sale. So that's great. Yeah, and just remember that leased ad space is a traffic source. So everybody on here has a business already. So it would be wise of you to promote a tool instead of your business. So it would be wise to promote the free lead system or something that people can use in their business, and not just promote your business. Promote something that these people here on leased ad space can use for their business. I believe that will create more success for your business or whatever you're trying to promote. Because if you're trying to promote your business while everybody else is promoting their business, then that's not really going to go hand in hand. So promote a tool instead of a business. Yeah, I can go to sales to date, and this happened a few days ago, the 4th of July actually. All right. It happened late night too, as you can see, 3 o'clock a.m. So that caught me by surprise, And that's the thing about working online, having passive income online. 1 minute you can be stressed out from not having a sale, and the next minute, boom, a sale comes in, and now you're feeling a lot better about yourself now. So yeah, you can earn passive Bitcoin instantly. And you can go to edit your profile, and this is where you will import your Bitcoin address. So if you get a sale, your Bitcoins will be sent to this address right here. And if you don't have a Bitcoin wallet, it's very easy. You can get the blockchain app on your iPhone or Android device. This is the blockchain. This is basically where you would store all your Bitcoin. So I'm about to put in my little code. It's verifying. And yeah, you will basically just go to request, and then you will copy your Bitcoin address and paste it right here into the right here. All right. So yeah, and it's free to create a blockchain account. It's free to create a Bitcoin wallet anywhere. All right. You can go to how it works. Let's click on that. And as you can see, you get a lifetime supply of solo ads. So you get one solo ad going out to the website every 28 days with the Pearl package. And this is for a whole lifetime. So every 28 days a solo ad will be sent out promoting whatever it is that you want to promote. Okay? And this is a whole lifetime. So every 28 days, if you buy the next package, then it's every 14 days, and so on and so on, as you can see. But this is a great platform, because I think I might just start putting leased ad space in the forefront, like in front of Lead Lightning, because I'm actually going to start promoting. I want to start promoting leased ad space on Feature Ad Pro. So here I can create a new ad and have it catered directly to leased ad space rather than the Lead Lightning, because I'm really starting to see the value in this website as you constantly get more sales coming in. And this is instant Bitcoin. This is instant Bitcoin. So this is not like any other business where you have to wait a week for them to pay out, and then you gotta make a bank transfer and all that other extra stuff, and you can get free Bitcoin payments instantly. So 24/7. So all you have to do is just promote the platform and buy a package here and there. Buy a traffic package from that promotes your business. Okay, so this is a very great platform. Let me finish clicking my 10 ads. So right here is basically footage of me accepting and confirming the Bitcoin payments. I'm about to confirm it. Hit approval, but before I approved it, I wanted to change my Bitcoin address. So that's what I do right here. And of course, this is old footage from when I first got the commission. I was so excited. So yeah, this is just me just changing my Bitcoin address. All right, and then I saved the changes, and now I'm about to officially confirm the payments because I did receive the payment already. So it says if you receive the payments, hit the green button. If you did not receive payments, you hit the red button. I already got the payment sent in, so I'm going to hit the green button, and then bam, it's official. So yeah, just make sure that you receive the Bitcoin payment first before you actually hit that green button. And if that's the case, then you can just hit that red button and then have it sent to that Bitcoin address. So yeah. But yeah, Leased ad space. I just got a payment. I really wanted to show you guys that, and I really also love the fact that they put your name on the home page to let everybody know, hey, this person is making money. You know, yeah, so it would be a great idea to start driving traffic to your Leased ad space referral links so you can start getting Bitcoin payments. And it's always good to earn Bitcoin because if you buy it, that's one thing. You know, it's always good to have Bitcoin, but if you're earning Bitcoin at a passive rate, at a consistent daily rate, then it's going to start adding up because Bitcoin is always going up. Let's look at the price of Bitcoin really quickly, and you can easily, and it's much easier to me if you wanted to cash out Bitcoin, which I do not recommend cashing out Bitcoin because Bitcoin could shoot up at any minute, you know, and that'd be the icing on top, because whenever Bitcoin goes up, that means your profits go up and you don't do anything but just hold it in your wallet, and the Bitcoins will add up as the current rates, the current dollar of the Bitcoin goes up. The money that's in your wallet will also go up as well because you earned it. You got it in there. You're holding Bitcoin. Hold the Bitcoins. Do not buy it. Do not sell it. Just hold it, because it'll be wise of you just to hold it, because there's no reason for you to sell it, because Bitcoin is still going up. It could shoot up right now. It could shoot up tomorrow, and then so it's best to hold Bitcoin in your wallet. Have a Bitcoin stash is what I'm basically saying. And I will also promote Leased ad space on FutureNet, because everyone in FutureNet has a business and everyone needs traffic, and Leased ad space is cheap traffic. So anybody can afford a $7 package. Once you get a $7 package, you're able to earn Bitcoin by just referring people to buy the same package on your referral link. So it's just that simple, just promoting the platform, making videos, driving traffic, promoting it on Facebook, FutureNet, Future Ad Pro. I'll be your toolbox. Any platform because everybody needs traffic, and this is nothing but a traffic source, and you can earn money from this as well. So that's all I really wanted to say in this video, guys. Just keep slamming traffic. Leased ad space is a great platform. I'm very excited that I'm earning money, and I'm gonna go back to how it works really quickly, just to give you guys some numbers here. All right, so you max out the Pearl package at 8 people. So once you refer 8 people to get the Pearl package, your earnings will be $56. So that's 7 times 8. And then once you maxed out that package, you can purchase the next package for $17. And once you refer 67 people to get that package, that will be $1,088 in Bitcoin constantly going into your Bitcoin wallet, and so on and so on. And you see these numbers get pretty crazy. And this is all passive free income. All you're doing is just referring people to buy traffic that everyone needs. Everyone needs traffic. Everyone needs solo ads, and you get a lifetime supply of solo ads. So every 28 days, every 14 days, whatever package that you get, you will be having a solo ad constantly promoting your business every day for the rest of your life, for a whole lifetime. And you can't really beat that for $7. A lifetime supply of solo ads for $7, you can't really beat that. So thanks for watching, guys. Earning Bitcoin online is very, very good, very great, especially when you're earning it and you're not buying it. That's the most beautiful part. That's the most best part of it all, is that you're earning and you're not buying the Bitcoin. So basically, it's all profit. It's all profit. Once you start earning Bitcoin versus buying Bitcoin, is you're really going to see that this platform is definitely great to use because it's cheap traffic. It's $7. You can't be too good for $7. So everything is still the same as far as last year being broke plan. Lease ad space, lead lightning, and the traffic sources. Okay, which is lease ad space once again, Chris Clicks, MLM Leads, Udemy, and Future Ad Pro. Everything is still the same. I just wanted to bring lease ad space to the forefront of everything, put it in front of lead lightning, because you're earning Bitcoin instantly. That's beautiful. That's just beautiful. You're earning Bitcoin instantly, paying out Bitcoin just by referring people to buy the traffic package that they need. Everybody needs traffic. So I really appreciate you guys for watching the video. Let me click on my last ad on Future Ad Pro, and also I'm gonna start promoting lease ad space on Future Ad Pro because it's a no-brainer, because people need traffic. People need traffic, and lease ad space is definitely can open up a lot of doors for you by just having traffic, and it is pretty good traffic. And then on top of that, you can earn Bitcoin at an instant rate. Thanks for watching, guys. My name is Devontae. This is last year being broke plan, and I will see you on the inside.